Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I am Onalatani with the evening news. First, the headlines. Nagaland Police seizes state's largest smuggled bullion worth 22 crore 78 lakh 46,620 rupees. Union Minister Mansukh Mandaviya launches iDrone, ICMR's drone-based vaccine delivery model in Northeast. Vice President M Venkaiah Naidu lays foundation stone for improvement, widening to 4 lanes of NH40. And government to prioritise children with comorbidities during COVID-19 vaccination drive for children in the country. As a nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 23978046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news. Narcotics Cell Police Station of Nagaland Police has seized smuggled gold containing 48.14 kg worth approximately 22 crore 78 lakh 46,620 rupees at Kohima, Imphal National Highway. The seizure was made on October 3rd morning during a routine general checking at Interstate Narcotic Checkpoint at Kuzama in Kohima. Addressing media persons this afternoon at Police Headquarters Kohima, ADGP Law and Order Nagaland Police, Sandeep M. Tamgadke, said it is the state's single biggest seizure of the smuggled bullion and one of the largest seizures in the whole of the country. He said the gold bars weighing approximately 166 grams each were packed neatly in 29 packets. The ADGP said 2 persons, namely Saurabh Singh and Pawan Kumar, both residents of Uttar Pradesh, along with the vehicle reportedly traveling from Manipur to Agra, have been detained for further questioning to initiate appropriate legal action. Sandeep informed that the narcotics cell have also seized 552 grams of suspected heroin and approximately 12 kilograms of opium on different occasions. In this connection, 3 persons, all residents of Manipur, have been arrested and the case have been registered under the NDPS Act for further investigation. Besides, the Highway Patrol of DEF Kohima have also intercepted and recovered around 532 grams of suspected heroin today worth approximately 2 crore in the international market. 4 persons have been arrested and a case have been registered at Zubza Police Station for further investigation. ADGP Sandeep said Nagaland Police is committed and have increased its efforts in controlling the menace of drugs and narcotic substance in the state. The ADGP further said it would be their endeavor to ensure that the main highway coming in from Manipur linking Nagaland, Assam and the rest of the country is made free of all kinds of illegal activities. Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Mansukh Mandaviya today launched ICMR's Drone Response and Outreach in Northeast, iDrone, with a view to ensure last-mile delivery of vaccines. This is a delivery model to make sure that life-saving vaccines reach everyone. Launching the initiative, Mandaviya said that this is for the first time that a Make in India drone have been used in South Asia to transport COVID vaccine over an aerial distance of 15 kilometers in 12 to 15 minutes from the Bisnupur District Hospital to Loktak Lake, Karang Island in Manipur for administration at the Primary Health Center. He said, India is a home to geographical diversities and drones can be used to deliver essentials to the last mile. The health minister said this technology can prove a game changer in addressing the challenges in healthcare delivery, particularly health supplies in difficult areas. Currently, the drone-based delivery project has been granted permission for implementation in Manipur and Nagaland, as well as Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island. This news comes to you from AIR Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on our YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. Vice President M Venkaiah Naidu laid the foundation stone for improvement, widening to 4 lanes of the National Highway 40 Shillong to Dalkey at a function held at Shillong today. Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari also attended the ceremony virtually. The 64.2-kilometer stretch highway is funded by the Japanese International Cooperation Agency JICA and will be constructed by the National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation at an estimated cost of over 1,606.52 crore rupees. Speaking on this occasion, the Vice President said once the upgradation is completed, it is expected to provide better connectivity in the region and provide a key link within the Northeast region as well as with neighboring country Bangladesh. This road will also help in the overall development of Meghalaya. Naidu stated that one of the biggest positive outcomes of better infrastructure and connectivity is that of increased tourism. Meghalaya is a beautiful state with huge tourism potential which needs to be tapped to its fullest, he added, and said that after the completion of this project, it will also give a major boost to the tourism of the state. The Vice President further said that over the years, Meghalaya has also been diversifying its economy by promoting agro-entrepreneurship. Union government will prioritise children with comorbidities during the COVID-19 vaccination drive for children in the country. National Immunization Technical Advisory Group NTAGI chairperson Dr. N.K. Arora said that rest of the children who are healthy can be immunized subsequently. Talking about the government's plan to vaccinate children between 12 to 18 years of age, NTAGI chief said they are trying to identify those who are at the highest risk of getting the severe disease and the need for hospitalization. Dr. Arora said within a couple of weeks, the list will be available in the public domain. He said government is trying to make arrangements at different parts of the country so that these children do not have to travel and within their district. Drugs Controller General of India had in August approved Zydus Cadilla's DNA vaccine for emergency use in adults and children aged 12 years and above. India has crossed yet another milestone in the COVID vaccination drive, with the total vaccination crossing the 91 crore mark today. Union Health Ministry has termed it as yet another achievement in its fight against COVID-19. Kohima District Planning and Development Board (DPDB) has recommended the upgradation of Semina subdivision to that of Semina district to the government for consideration. This recommendation came about during the monthly DPDB meeting held today under the chairmanship of DPDB Chairman and Advisor for Technical Education and Election Medo Hyoka. MLA and Advisor R. King and ADC Semina W. Manpai Pom highlighted the aspiration of Rengma tribe on the demand for upgradation of Semina subdivision to Semina district and data records of the subdivision to the House. On upgradation of public health center such as Zubza to community health center, MLA Nakro impressed upon the requirement of upgradation of the health center, citing that it is located at the national highway wherein medical services with more facilities can be provided in times of emergencies as well as to the people of the area. Now the headlines once again. Nagaland Police seizes state's largest smuggled bullion worth 22 crore 78 lakh 46,620 rupees. Union Minister Mansukh Mandaviya launches iDrone, ICMR's drone-based vaccine delivery model in Northeast. Vice President M Venkaiah Naidu lays foundation stone for improvement, widening to 4 lanes of NH40. And government to prioritise children with comorbidities during COVID-19 vaccination drive for children in the country. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Have a pleasant night.